Hi guys, here's some more pretty fireworks for you. They sure are pretty, are they? I'm not ending the video just yet. Today, someone new is moving to town today. Oh, here's the house. This is Anchovy. I'm gonna go and say hi. Oh, and there he is. Whoa, you caught me. I thought I would just show up out of nowhere and surprise everyone. Anyway, I'm Anchovy. I just moved here today. I don't think anyone knows I'm here yet, so let's keep it between us for now, okay? Okay, Anchovy. Welcome to Indiana. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. Goodbye.